Okay, good morning students, first year students. Okay, first now I will discuss the yesterday, recall the yesterday class. What is the yesterday class? All silver teacups. All silver teacups. What is the yesterday class? Sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. And first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, plus, okay, real column. In first quadrant, which functions are positive, which functions are negative. Second quadrant, which functions are negative, which functions are positive. This type. First, first quadrant, listen carefully once again. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant is initial 0 degrees, the next one 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees and 360 degrees. In first quadrant, which angles are there in the first quadrant? Which type of angle? 90 minus theta. Okay. This is 0 up to 0 and 0 plus. 90 means what? 0 plus. 0 plus theta and 360 minus theta. 360 up to 360. Okay, 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta. First, only this one. First, you observe the 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Next, this one second quadrant. 90 to 180 means 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta. 180 below 180. Above 90, below 180. 180 minus theta, this is 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. This is 360 below, 270 to 360 means 360 below, that's why 360 minus theta, this is 360 above, 360 plus theta also is there. Okay, next. What is the next one? All. In the first quadrant, all are positive. All are means what? All silver all means what? All trigonometric functions. All trigonometric functions sine, cos, cosecant, tan, cot, these all are positive in first quadrant. Next, second one, silver. Silver means S for sine. Sine, reciprocal of sine, cosecant. Sine, cosecant positive. Remaining sine, cosecant positive. Remaining cos, tan, cot, secant are negative. All silver. T for tan. The reciprocal of tan is cot. Tan, cot positive. The remaining are negative. Next. In fourth quadrant, all silver teacups. C for cos, reciprocal of cos, secant. This one. First of all, sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta, first we have to decide quadrant. And next plus or minus first. Okay, sine in 90 minus theta, which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant, all are positive. So, sine also positive. In 90, before allied angles, 90 plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta, these angles are called allied angles. in 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta in angles, the functions are change. Sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine. The relation between sine and cos, both are related to each other. So sine converted into cos, cos changes to sine. Tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan. Secant changes to cosecant changes to secant. Next 180 plus or minus theta and 360 plus or minus theta, this type of angles, the function does not change. Any function, sine function sine, cos function cos, tan function tan, cot function cot. 180 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta, so function does not change. 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta must be changed. So sine changes to cos theta. Next cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta is equal to cos 90 plus theta, which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, which are positive? Sine cosecant positive, but cos negative. Sine cosecant only negative, positive. Remaining are positive, negative. So cos is negative. 90 plus 90 means what? Cos converted into sine theta. In WhatsApp group, I don't know, one student asked me what are they? Sine 135 value equal to cos 45. How? Sine 135 is equal to sine 90 plus 45. 90 plus theta, which quadrant? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine positive, sine cosecant. In second quadrant, sine cosecant positive. So sine also positive. In 90 means what? Sine convert into cos 45. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. 90 minus 90 plus. Next 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta, which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, which are positive? Sine cosecant are positive. So tan is negative. 180 means tan is tan. No change. Next 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta, which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, which are positive? Tan cot. So cot is positive. 180 plus means cot. No change. Next 180 plus. Next 270 plus 270 minus 360 minus 360 plus. Up to this. Okay. This is the all syllabus T-Flex. Some books all students take coffee. And easy to remember, easy to understand. This is the not a formula. It is easy to understand. All silver teacups. Some members are all students take coffee. This type of thinking. So, okay, understand? Yesterday class 180 plus theta up to 180 plus theta are up to completed. Next. Next 270 minus theta. Sine 270 minus theta. Sine 270 minus theta, which quadrant? Third quadrant. The sine cos 270 minus theta. Tan 270 minus theta. Cot 270 minus theta. secant 270 minus theta, cosecant 270 minus theta. First have to decide quadrant. 270 minus theta, third quadrant. Third quadrant which are positive, tan positive, cot positive, remaining negative. 270 means sine function changes into cos, sine cos, sine, tan cot, tan, secant cosecant, secant. This one of the example. Tan 225 degrees. Tan 225 is equal to tan 270 minus 45. 45, 50, 70. Okay. 270 minus 45. Tan 270 minus theta. Tan 270 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So cot 45. Cot 45 value what? Same as it is cot 225, sin 225, cos 225, and so on. We have to homework. Do the homework. Present. Tan 210 degrees. So many examples we'll do. Next, (270 plus theta). Hmm. 270 plus theta, which quadrant? 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, all silver teacups. C for cos, secant positive, remaining are negative. In 270 means sine convert into cos, sine cos, sine, tan cot, tan, secant cosecant, secant. This is examples. Sine 315 degrees, sine 315 degrees, sine 270 plus 45. 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative. Sine negative है ना. In fourth quadrant which are positive, cos secant, sine negative. 270 ಅಂದರೆ cos 45. Cos 45 is equal to -1 by root 2. At the same way, all values, all functions of degree sine 315, cos 315, cos 315, tan 315, do it. Cot 315, secant 315, cosecant 315, these are all our homework. Okay, next. (270 minus 270 plus) completed. Next, 360 minus sin 360 minus theta cos 360 minus theta tan 360 minus theta cot 360 minus theta secant 360 minus theta cosecant 360 minus theta. First decide the quadrant. 360 minus theta, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, which are positive? Cos, secant. Remaining all are negative. So see, 360 means function does not change. Sin goes to sin, cos goes to cos, tan goes to tan, cot goes to cot, secant, cosecant. Okay. The same time sin 315 300 sin 300 is equal to sin 360 minus 60. Example, sin 360 minus 60. Sin 360 minus 60, sin 360 minus theta. Sin 360 minus theta is equal to what? Minus sin theta. Minus, why minus? Fourth quadrant sin negative, minus sin 60. So that is equal to minus 234. So remaining all are cos 300 degrees, tan 300 degrees, cos 300, tan 300, cosecant 300, cot 300. These all are homework. You have to try. Three hundred, 315 angles. 300, 315, 330. 330 means 360 minus 30. 330 means 360 minus 30. 360 minus 30. 315 means 360 minus 45. 300 means 360 minus 60. Okay. Next, 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta. Sin 360 plus theta, cos 360 plus theta, tan 360 plus theta. This is 360, minus means down, plus means up, back, front. So 90 plus means front, 90 minus back side. 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta both are in first quadrant. So in the first quadrant all are positive, so all are positive, no negative. But in 360 means what? Sign goes to sine, same. Sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. 360 plus, for example, sine 405, sine 360 plus 45. First quadrant positive, 360 sine A, sine 45 equal to 1 by root 2. At the same time, remaining all functions. Okay. You have to do remaining functions. Find out cos 405, tan 405, this one 405. Next to another angle 405, 90 plus 1, 390. 390 is equal to what? Cos 360 plus 30. So cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So tan 420. 420 is equal to 360 plus 60. So tan 60. Tan 60 value root 3. 30, 60, 45. In the angle 405, 390, 420, these three angles by using the all functions. Okay, calculate by the all functions, remaining all functions. Okay, so 360 plus up to enough. Next okay. Next one is in the trigonometric table up to 90, 30, 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60, 90, up to 90. So now continue the table up to 180, 270, 360. Sin 180, cos 180, sin 270, cos 270, tan 360. This angle also we have to find out. Let us find out the angle 180, 270, 360. Listen carefully. Sine 180 degrees, cos 180, tan 180, cot 180, secant 180, cosecant 180 degrees. Let us find out the angle of 180 degrees. Now, how to find out sine 180 degrees? You don't know. Up to 90, you know, up to 90. So, above 90, don't know. So, let us find. This is converted into 180 degrees is converted into 90 plus 90 ORR, 180 plus theta, 180 plus 0 ORR, 180 minus 0. Anyone, both are same procedure. 180 means 180 plus 0 degrees. 180 plus theta, which quadrant? 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta, third quadrant. In third quadrant, sine negative or positive? Negative. So 180 means what? Sine goes to sine, minus sine 0. Sine 0 value 0. Okay. This one, another type, sine 180 degrees. Sine 180 is equal to sine 90 plus 90. Sine 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta, which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. When 90 means sine goes to cos. Cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0. If you have any process, you will get this same answer. Okay. 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 90 plus 90. These three procedures. Any procedure, all procedures are correct, but you want to any procedure. You can do any procedure. Okay. So I am calculate sine 180. The remaining are homework. You will do. Okay, 180 degrees same. Cos 180 plus theta, tan 180 plus theta, cot. These are same method. Okay, next. You can choose 90 plus 90 or 180 plus 0. Any procedure. Next, 270. Sine 270. Sine 270 means 270 minus theta or 270 minus 0, 270 plus 0 or 180 plus 90. 180 plus 90. 180 plus theta, which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, so sine is negative. So 180 means what? Sine goes to sine. Sine 90 is equal to 1. So minus 1. The sine 270 is equal to minus 1. We can choose another model. Sine 270 degrees is equal to sine 270 plus 0. 270 plus theta, which quadrant? 270 fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative. 270 means sine goes to cos. Cos 0. Cos 0 value 1. This one. This is the 270, 360. Okay, the last one is 360 degrees. Three 60 means 180 plus 90. 360 means 270 plus 90, or 180 360 plus 0, 360 minus 0, 270 plus 90. So sine 270 plus 90. 270 plus theta, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative. 270 means sine goes to cos. Cos 90 1. Sin 0 0, sin 91, cos 90 0, cos 90 0 means 0, cos 90. Okay, so if all are perfect, then I will do some more examples tomorrow. Okay, 90 minus total all silver teacups, so 90 minus 90 plus the total in the total class. So many examples are we'll give tomorrow. So I continue the next class. Thank you.